For my video teaching moment, I was given the student work sample 2 6 plus 3 6 equals 5 twelfths. I can see from table 15.1, misconception number 1, that this student is making a mistake by quickly thinking that they can just add the numerators across from left to right and doing the same on the denominators. I'm going to quickly explain where this is shown in the sample. Like previously stated, I said that they just were adding from left to right. So if you look at our first fraction right here, we have the 2 in the numerator and then 3 as our second numerator, and they just added those together to equal 5. And then same across the denominator, they have the 6, let me change my color here, 6 plus the 6, which they are getting 12. This misconception is showing me that the student does not understand what the numerator and denominator represent. So what I'm going to do is give these numbers some context. And to do that, I will be using fraction bars to model this problem. Consider that you have 2/6 of a candy bar. So let's move this to 2/6. And now your friend Sam comes along and he has 3/6 of a candy bar. So we'll put his down here. So this top one is you and this bottom one is Sam. You guys are working to combine the two portions of each of your candy bars to make up one whole bar. It is important to remember that in order to make one whole candy bar, you'll need 6 equal pieces. To find the number that represents a whole, we always look at this denominator. So if you look here at the denominator in the problem, we have 6 for the first fraction and 6 for the second one. So we know we are looking for 6, 6, or 6 equal pieces to make a whole. In order to find what the numerator represents, we know that the number on the top, so our 2 in our first fraction and our 3 in the second fraction, are representing how many pieces you have in your fraction. So we can solve this problem by adding your portion plus Sam's portion and counting how many total pieces you have. I'm going to go ahead and move these because it makes it easier for me to see them. So let's just split those apart. Oh, let's split it. How do we? Oh, there we go. Okay. So we have Sam's portion being moved up to connect to your portion. And now to find the total number, we're going to count how many pieces there is. I'm going to go ahead and change this to black. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 pieces out of a whole, which is 6 in this instance. This gives us 5/6 of a candy bar, meaning you haven't quite made it to a whole.